Hello dear students, in our previous video we have solved the answers of this exercise part of this poem, My Puppy Plays Piano. We have done with exercise A, B, D and E. D was given for homework and up to E we have solved. So in today's video we will try to find the answers of this F and G. So please listen carefully and you know that you can see the questions from your book, and all of you please try to note down the answers in your book and notebook so that you can learn it properly. Don't forget to learn it properly because these are all important for you to know. Okay, so let's see your page number 14 of your book. Look at your page number 14. There you can see that number F question. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box to make meaningful phrases. So in the box the hints are given and you have to make meaningful phrases. So I have marked the numbers also. The answer numbers are marked here and you can easily do that one. You please try to listen now carefully. Answer dash is given. So you can write there, answer the door. Okay, answering the door means going to the door whenever somebody ring a doorbell. Okay, so that will be the best one. You may be thinking that answer a question or answer a test like that. Don't do like that. Okay, so you should try to write down answer the door. Answering the door means going and opening the door whenever somebody rings the bell. I hope you understood. Now look at the second one. Water the plants. You know, it is a usual thing that we can water the plant, we can give water to the plants. That is called watering the plants. Okay, third is your sharpen a pencil, and fourth is your light a fire. Then you can see fifth is your park the car, sixth post a letter, then seventh is take a test. So whenever you are taking a test, that means you are writing a test, writing an examination paper. So that is called taking a test. I think you know. Next, number 8 is bake a cake. So like that way, all of you please try to write down the answers in your book and learn it properly and keep them in your memory. Okay, now let us try to see the answers of this number G. Here you are asked to find out whether the given things are a phrase or a sentence. So phrase means what? All of you know that phrase is a group of words. You can see here one thing written here. You can see a phrase is a group of words that has meaning but do not have complete but does not make complete sense. So that type of things are there. So they are all called the phrase. But anything that makes complete sense is called a sentence. So you know that how can we make sentences using the phrase and all that one. I will try to give you the answers. All of you please refer to your book for finding the question, and now let us try to discuss the answers of this one here. There is the answer here. So all of you please try to look at here and try to learn it. You may also write some other sentences beside this one. Whatever that is given to you is only an example of this making a sentence out of the given phrase. So all of you please listen carefully and try to understand them first. Okay, so the first one is given, learned by watching. Learned by watching is a phrase. It has some meaning, but it does not make complete meaning, does not make complete sense. So you can write the answers in this way. We have learned many things by watching our parents and friends. That you can write. Okay. Also you can write from the poem. Also you can write the puppy learnt piano by watching the poet. Like that way also you can write. There is no problem. But it is better you should have you learn to make new sentences using this phrase. So that's why I gave you a new type of sentence so that you can have your creativity, and you can use the phrases in your own sentences. Okay, so you can see here and you can write under, or otherwise you can write from your own mind also if it is possible for you. Okay, now look at the second one. They could play duet. So they could play duet. This makes a sense, this makes a meaning. So it's a sentence. So only the thing that we have to change is that we have to punctuate them properly. Punctuate means what? Giving the capital letter and full stop or any other comma or inverted comma, etc., wherever necessary. So we can see here, there is not started with a capital letter, and a sentence must be started with a capital letter. So you can start making that one. In this place you have to make the capital letter T, T-H-E-Y, you can write, and that the beginning should be with a capital letter, and at last there should be a full stop. You know that a full stop is necessary for making a complete sentence. Okay, now look at the third one. My other pets is given. So it is a phrase. So what you can do, we have to make a sentence using this one. What I have done here, please look at here. My other pets are very cute except this ugly dog, I have written. So you can also write similar sentences from your own mind. You are always given the freedom. You can write meaningful sentences. Now fourth one, guitar and drums is also a phrase. So you can make sentence using this one. I have written here, guitars and drums are musical instruments. So you can make like that way. So I know to play guitar and drums also you can write. So my friends play guitars and drums, but I play this harmonium, or like that you can write some other sentence also. Okay, now look at number fifth one. So they formed a band. So in that case it is a sentence. So you only have to punctuate it properly. T should be written in capital whenever you are starting, and you should give a full stop at last. Okay, don't forget to do that one. Next one. Now you see the sixth one. Traveled all around is given. So you can make sentences from your own mind. I have written here, my father has traveled all around the world. You can write. Also you can write, my friend has traveled all around the world. Also you can write, I have traveled all around the world. Also you can write like that way. And also if you want to write from the book, then also you can write, these pets traveled all around the world playing their music. Like that way you can write. Okay, so there is no harm if you are able to write any new sentences from your own mind. I am telling you once and again that you may write it from your own mind without any hesitation. Okay, now look at number 7. Lots of music is a phrase. So can you make sentences like that way? So I have written here, I like to listen lots of music. Okay, I like to listen lots of music. Next one, number 8. They wrote the song. They wrote the song is a sentence. So only you have to give the punctuation marks here. T should be started with capital, and a full stop must be given there. Okay, I think all of you can do. Okay, now number 9. My pets were millionaires. This is also a sentence. So you can start it with a capital letter. M should be capital, and you can see here M should be capital, and at last there should be a full stop. Okay, then similarly you can notice the 10th number, carefully written. So I have written for you, a carefully written answer can never be wrong. So like that way you can write all these answers of this exercise part F and G and learn it properly. Okay, so thank you for listening and learning.